Welcome, beautiful soul. You've arrived in the perfect moment. This is your time to rise, to reset, to reclaim your energy and your light. No matter how your day has started, you are here now. And together, we're going to lift your vibration and align you with the powerful, radiant being that you truly are. So find a comfortable space. Let your eyes softly close. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of anything that doesn't serve your highest frequency. Let's begin. Breathe deeply. In through the nose. Hold it. And exhale out through the mouth. Again. Inhale light. Exhale tension. Now, imagine a golden light above your head. This is source energy, pure, radiant, unlimited. With every breath, allow that golden light to gently pour down into the crown of your head, flowing through your mind, clearing heavy thoughts, down through your neck and shoulders, melting stress, flowing into your chest, awakening your heart with warmth and love, down your arms and fingertips, and all the way into your belly, hips, legs, and feet. You are being lit up with divine, high-frequency light. You are charging your spirit. You are becoming radiant. Now, repeat silently or aloud. I am light. I am energy. I am vibrationally aligned. I welcome positive energy into my body, my mind, and my spirit. I release all low vibrations and I rise now. I am magnetic. I am powerful. I am ready. Take a deep breath in and feel that radiant light expanding outward like a sun within you, shining through your entire being. You are rising You are activating. You are aligned. Now that your frequency is elevated, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Notice the space inside your chest. Your heart feels open. Your mind is clear. Your soul is awake. You've remembered who you are. Imagine this high frequency flowing out around you like a glowing aura, golden, electric, vibrant. You are surrounded in a field of energy that attracts peace, abundance, and joy. Now, picture the version of you who already lives at this frequency. Confident, joyful, inspired. See them smiling. See their energy sparkling. That version of you is you. And you can return to this energy at any time. Breathe into it. Own it. Feel the truth of your power. Let's lock this vibration in with empowering affirmations. Repeat with feeling. My energy is magnetic and powerful. I radiate light, love, and confidence. I attract miracles with ease. I am deeply connected to universal energy. My vibration lifts everyone around me. I am aligned, empowered, and unstoppable. Feel each word as a frequency, tuning you higher and higher. Let it move through every cell of your body. Now, imagine stepping out into your life, vibrating at this powerful frequency. See how your day unfolds with ease. See how people respond to your energy with admiration, love, and positivity. Imagine doors opening, opportunities flowing, everything aligning beautifully for your highest good. You are walking in your power. You are glowing with presence. Hold this vision and breathe into it. You've done powerful work today. You've reconnected to your truth. You've raised your vibration, and you are now aligned with your best, highest self. take a moment to smile gently to yourself. Place your hand on your heart. Feel the buzz of energy within you. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, silently say, "Thank you, I am ready." When you feel ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes. You are energy. You are light. And you are unstoppable. Come back to this meditation anytime you want to raise your vibration and realign with your limitless power. Blessed be.